So this is going to be very short. This is a video about how to send and receive files within Teams chat messages. So real simple. Down here where you're typing your messages, there should be a little paper clip, which looks a lot like email and things like that. It's exactly the same thing. I'm going to click on my paper clip. Now I'm going to choose upload from my computer. Now we just need to use our file explorer and find wherever that file is. In this case, I saved an RVW file to my downloads. There it is, maze test. It's got that RVL suffix. Double click it. It's going to be there. Make sure you say who you're sending it to. And they should receive it, and they should be able to download. So let's just look at downloading a file. Here's an example of a file that has been sent. I click on it. And it'll open for me like that. If I actually want to bring this in, save a copy, click on the three dots up here, choose download, and it's going to put it in your download folder. So I can go back and look at that download folder, and it should be popping in here any minute. Okay, so that's it. That's how you send and receive files in Teams chat.